Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your aspen dental appointment via online. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you need to provide a notice like minimum 24 hours of notice before cancellation of your appointment. You need to provide a 24-hour notice and to avoid some charges. Okay, so basically what you have to do, you need to visit on this patient service portal link, and you can find your nearest aspen dental location. You can find your dentist location and you can contact your nearest dentist location, and then you can call them and you can cancel your, you can say like appointment. Okay, this is the first method. Now we will talk about the second method, that you need to dial their phone number, their official contact support number. The number you will get in our video description box, or you can directly visit on their official website. The number is also mentioned on the official website. You can visit on the official website and you can dial their number and you can get help. And if you are thinking like why I'm not showing the phone number, because it's again YouTube policy showing the phone numbers, and also there are lots of policies related to these kind of things on YouTube, so that's why we are not going to show you the phone number. So you just need to simply visit on their official website and you can find out the number. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And there is only one method by which you can cancel your appointment on Aspen Dental, that is via dialing their phone number. You can directly call your nearest branch, or you can call their local customer service number. They will also provide you phone number. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.